much you finna put that bit on?
30 feet.
But my ass was shooting all over the place.
Cool 30 feet.
Let's go. Damn. Damn. Hell no. Oh my God. That shit is crazy. I need an arrow.
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Kalen back with another freaking banger. Youngster.
Dang.
You know what I'm saying? Got a cool little vlog for y'all, man. Today we're going to the gun range. We finna go shoot some guns. But before we go there, we had stopped at this other gun store just to look around and stuff like that and see what they got. So yeah, we finna look around here and we're gonna keep going. I'm doing good. How you doing? No, man, I'm just looking right now. I can't have no snow. No, that big gonna blow.
That's an FN.
900.
That's hard, bro.
Where's the FN tactical? See, I want something like that. Actually, that might be what I want.
That shit hard as hell.
No, that's a 9.
That's the cheapest FN I ever seen.
That's a 9. I want the FN tactical 45. Bro, look at this. These Colts, bro. Oh, this Colt hard. That 1911 is crazy.
That's like, I ain't even feel a lot of folks be wanting that bitch. It's only $439.
Nah, that bitch 700. The brown one.
What the fuck?
The brown one's 700.
It's smooth as hell, though.
AR pistol 1400. I ain't gonna lie, that's a bad price.
That's a
On gang, that's a horrible price for real. Yeah, man. So shit, we in here. Oh, they got the AK and shit. Damn. Rick Grimes, no, Red Dead Redemption.
I'm dead.
What was you saying? Finna redeem your life.
I'm
finna redeem your ticket to heaven. Hell is you saying? No, this shit hard. Is that a Glock? That bit kind of look like a Glock. So, if y'all want to know where we're at, we are at a gun store and gun range called The Vault. It is like close to Smyrna area. So if you're in the Smyrna area in Georgia, come through, man. Come shop with The Vault, man. They got guns, they got drums, they even got switches.
Okay.
Nah, just playing. Bro, look at that shit. That shit is stupid long.
And that's what I'm talking about. Like, I would get something like that for the NCK.
Oh, look.
What is that?
See what they changed.
Oh God, that's hard.
You could do that to your G2. You could do that to your G2, bro. Are we able to like hold them and look at them? Can I see the 43X?
Can I see the 40?
Wait your turn.
I need to see that bit. Bro, what? You ain't lying.
Thank you. See, bro, this is a really good fit. Like I like how it fits in my hand, bro.
Yeah,
like, see, I got a
super popular compact.
It's empty, by the way, but I recently just got that, so we're about to go shoot that. But I like how they split the same size. It's just a longer handle. So this feels good.
Yeah, it seems like every time somebody makes the grip too short and everybody starts asking for extended magazines to get their pinky back on the grip, it's like they got to go back and make the grip on.
No, I like that. I
think they'd all want
I think I'm going to go for 43X because it's so single stack, slim. I could holster. I mean, it is a little bit bigger than my Hellcat, but I like this. And they got the EOS
MOS version.
Yeah. That boy, he want to see the daddy long leg.
For real. Yeah, can I hold this one?
The daddy long leg, bro. What do they use that for? Like competition? Good lord.
Support. You know, that's still kind of a popular sidearm if you're out in bear country.
For hunting?
Well, not for hunting, but for if all of a sudden you're
a bear
out of ammo on the rifle and you're confronted with an animal bigger than you are.
Okay.
That gives you a fair amount of pretty potent firepower.
I ain't gonna lie. If I got this in
that's crazy.
Bro, hold this, bro. If I got this and a bear run up on me, I'm not finna blow this. I'm finna Bro, this is too long.
No,
bro. This is too long, bro. I can only imagine the kick, yo. That's crazy.
Mr. Rick.
Rick Grimes. See, this is the perfect size. Like his shit, like stupid long. That big go. I don't think I'd go Ruger though. I think I'd go Smith & Wesson. I like the brand Smith &
Both
Wesson.
good guns.
I like the handle. Good fit though. I'm just scared to shoot a revolver.
All right, so we got 2 to shoot.
Oh my goodness.
This is crazy.
Sit. Let me see your pop.
Yo.
Sit, Lo. Loki, sit. Sit. Round. Sit.
Sorry.
There you go.
Boy, bro, his paws are huge.
Yeah.
That's a, I ain't gonna lie. Imagine him running at you, bro.
Bruh.
I'm going shit.
I was gonna say, what you can't do nothing.
709.
He wouldn't come running at you.
here?
That's,
Yeah.
he's a big baby. He's a big baby.
How old is he?
He's 2.
Good lord.
Yeah.
He's
Just a pup.
giant. Just a pup is crazy. All right, y'all.
Okay, don't shoot until I get out of here. But if you need to, you can lower that.
Yeah, can you load that for me?
Yeah.
I would really appreciate that.
Hold that,
Appreciate it.
because I don't want to go. I noticed it was a little. No phone when you're by yourself. All right, y'all have fun. Let me know if you need anything.
What you think about my AR?
Nice. Whole light, charge,
Yeah, I changed the charging handle.
right in. Nice.
You like?
Left-handed?
Right-handed.
Right-handed?
You don't mind being on camera, do you?
No, I don't mind.
Okay, cool. When I come out, I'ma get you to do a shout out for y'all for the
No
vault.
problem.
You know,
That's nice.
we gonna show love.
So I may suggest one thing for you.
Okay, what?
See if you can find a pressure switch for this.
I do have a pressure switch. I
It
just
might make it easier to have it on this side.
okay.
That way you're not trying to crane your
My finger.
around.
Yeah.
And you can
On and off.
right here.
Okay, cool.
Might make it a little easier on you.
All right.
But it's nice, dude.
Appreciate it.
Yeah. Y'all have fun.
Thank you. Oh, I'm over here. All right. All right, y'all. So right now we in the shindig, man. My boy Travis, he over there setting up. Before we shoot, we gonna show y'all everything that we got going on. But right now, we're prepping our guns, putting the ammo in our guns so that we can shoot. So once we put the ammo in our guns and stuff like that, we're gonna come back to y'all and we're gonna get active, man. If y'all haven't already smashed the like button, man, definitely subscribe, bro. Because we like shooting guns and we gonna keep bringing gun content, man. That's what we're gonna do. So. All right, y'all, right now I'm loading up 223. Y'all don't know, this is what a 223 looks like. So look, your boy got his shit all ready and ready to go, ready to blizzam at a nigga. You know what I'm saying? Young Trauma. He over here struggling like as always to put his guns in that hoe.
Oh.
Wait, hold on, don't bust that bitch. I don't got my shit on. I do not have my ears on, nigga.
I ain't got mine. I'm just on God. I was just
Please do not bust that hoe.
Hold on, brother.
Wait, hold on. Let me double up, bro. Hey, you want double? I got the little ones that go in your ear too.
Yeah.
All right, bet. Hold the camera. Oh, nigga, send the target back some. This nigga shooting close range, nigga.
That's how I know my shit off though.
You're not gonna be able to tell if your shit off that close. You're not gonna be able to tell that close.
What you mean?
There you go. There you go, right there. I'm trying to see where that bit hit. Aim in the center.
I am, bro, but you know my laser off, so I'm trying to you want me to aim my laser?
Yeah, aim your laser in the center and shoot. Oh yeah, your shit's stupid.
I hit that bit, didn't I?
You hit it.
I think. I don't have my glasses on, bro.
That nigga trim.
Oh my mom, that bit bounced back and hit me in the face. Oh god. Hold on, bro. Hell no. I care about my face. I look good, bro.
Lean forward a little bit.
Bro. My laser.
It came off.
Oh god.
Oh, it's gone?
Huh?
It's gone?
My mic's over there on the floor. Should I like tell him?
You're gonna have to wait and tell him when we done. Lean forward. Don't lean back. Lean forward into the gun. There you go. All right, my turn. Hey, let me show you. Let me show you.
What's up?
I'm trying to show you.
What?
I'm trying to show you something. Let me show you, man. Glock 30. Some sand.
Hurry up.
You want which magazine? Yeah.
Extend
Okay.
Duh.
You know what I'm saying?
What you finna put that bit on?
30 feet.
But my ass was shooting all over the place.
Cool 30 feet.
Let's go. Where they be at, bud?
Can you see?
Huh?
Kind of like stand at an angle. Stand like, yeah.
Hold on, bro. Make sure I got like some good angles on both of these. There we go. Damn! Damn! Boy, that bitch is big as fuck. I need a 45, bro. Oh, me.
How do I?
Well, I need to see where I hit too, though.
So sad!
Oh my god.
So sad, nigga!
Oh god.
Yo, nigga!
Oh,
My laser accurate, bro.
Holy
Hey, you wanna shoot it, bit?
Yeah. Yes.
Yes.
Damn. I ain't gonna. I think that shit jam, gang.
Huh?
Let's go. Hold on, wait, bro. I do not have these bitches on. Oh shit, my head tripped.
Boom, boom.
I was gonna be like, hold on,
This nigga don't got no mags loaded up.
bruh. I'm having fun.
After I shoot my shit, I'm gonna start helping you load your mags.
All right, bet. I was gonna say I got too many mags on. I could really just load all them bitches.
You ready?
Yeah.
Alright.
Come on. Where your phone at? Turn me up.
Oh yeah. But put some range on that, bruh. You got that conversion kit for a reason. There you go. Yeah, get right, twin. Charge it back.
Skip it.
Damn. That bitch spitting out flames.
I put the gun to the
You like that shit?
Huh?
How does it shoot?
Fire as fuck.
I want to shoot that bitch.
I ain't gonna calibrate on my mind. Like that bitch got no kick, like none.
All right, come
you
on.
wanna go down?
Hey, put me like 2 bullets in there right quick.
All right.
I just want to shoot that. I want to try that bit. Then we gotta move on.
Let that bitch go.
That's what you should have used, your pop-up sights.
On me. Damn. I think it's only 3. Yeah. I told
like that
you.
bit.
Like,
I gotta get one.
I told you.
I gotta get one. All right, y'all. I'm finally shooting my Hellcat chambered in 9mm, man. I've been wanting to shoot this gun for so long, so let's see what it's talking about. You got your ears on?
Yes.
All right, good.
What you shooting?
Hellcat.
Oh. Oh my God. That's him. Oh my God. That be issuing smarts. Oh my mom. What the fuck? Well, my mom, when you see that shit, you gonna be like, what? Yeah. Oh God.
All right, look. While he load his shit up, I don't think y'all boys ready. I'm trying to tell you, man. I don't think y'all boys ready.
Ooh, shit. Ooh, shit.
I ain't gonna, I need you to record this.
Stupid. Wait, let me stop. I gotta get folks from behind your ass. Hell no. Oh my God. Wait, that shit is crazy. I need an arrow. I need an arrow.
Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Yo. Travis.
Bro, I think I gotta put all the 9mm bullets here.
Oh, shit. That bitch smoking.
On my mama. On my mama, bro.
That bitch smoking, gang. Yeah, man, we having them sticks, boy.
Last time they need to go, man.
Oh, hold on. We got get you right. Go ahead. Ooh. Dry fire. Pull it back. There you go.
I ain't gonna lie, boy. You would let that bitch go. Oh my God. That shit was fun as fuck. Oh my mom.
Wait, hold on. Put it on safety.
Huh?
Safety. Other side. Other side.
We definitely going to. We gotta make this shit like a once a week type shit. Like what the fuck?
I ain't gonna cap. You still got bullets in yours? Grab my camera right quick.
What you got? What you got? What you gonna do?
Shoot my clip.
Oh, good.
I think it's already recording. You can flip it down so you can see. Yeah. All right. He said, go ahead and wrap it up. So you know I'm gonna wrap that shit up. You know I'm gonna wrap that shit up. Hold on, laser. Let You know I'ma rack that.
Man, we dodging cases.
You know I'ma rack that shit up. You know I'ma rack that shit up, nigga. You know I'ma rack that shit up, boy. I know you see that motherfucker. This motherfucker hot.
Okay.
Motherfucker hot. You know what I'm saying? We got big guns. You know what I'm saying? AR goddamn. That bitch smoking over there.
I'm talking about that bitch still smoking. Damn.
Oh wait, hold on. Hold on. They said we got one more clip. They said we got one more clip. One more clip in the cat. One more clip in the cat. Should I go spin that bitch right quick? Should I go slide that hoe? Wait, hold on. Should I go slide that hoe? We finna go spin. We finna go do some donuts in this bitch. We finna go slide, nigga. Slide. Slide. In broad day. I ain't putting on no shows, nigga. This ain't Broadway. How you fucked up when you turn the wrong way?
Hey man, real TTE shit, man. Real TTE.
Real TTE shit, man. Big gun shit, man. Niggas don't want no gunplay,
Look,
man.
We couldn't pull out that motherfucker. We couldn't pull out that
Oh
motherfucker
yeah, no
today.
cap. Y'all, hey listen, y'all stay tuned, bro. We doing this gun range shit. This shit, you know what I'm saying? We gun enthusiasts now, bro. So best believe it's gonna be a lot of gun content, and we gonna get that bit popping one day. Y'all stay tuned, bro. Y'all stay tuned. We gonna pack this shit up. We gonna come back to y'all, and we gonna close out the video, man. But shit, I hope y'all enjoy this shit, man. Okay. Let's go. Yo, I ain't gonna cap. We forgot.
I hit that middle with that MCK.
We forgot to bring the damn target back. We'll see what that motherfucking AR hitting on. Young trauma shit.
I'm gonna light this shit up. I ain't gonna cap. Your stomach fucked up. Fucking with me.
I ain't gonna cap.
Guts on the ground.
God damn.
Guts on the ground.
God damn.
Shit.
Hold on.
He done took it cheap.
One,
He done took it little.
2, 3.
Oh my god.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28.
Cap, bro. One thing about it don't look like I'm gonna miss.
I don't think neither one of us gonna miss.
Like
I ain't gonna cap. Out of the 223, bro, out of 30 shots, 28. 28, nigga, that's 98%.
I ain't gonna cap, bro.
98%.
My mom, I feel like all these bitches with your Hellcat on me.
I don't know where my Hellcat was at, but
yeah, they gotta be, cause that's the only 9 you got on that. So the booty, you gotta be that. But you lit that shit the fuck up.
yeah, I ripped his ass up. Damn.
Go to sleep.
Go to sleep.
Well, I ain't even gonna cap. Oh, my mom, I got one.
Go back to the lobby.
I got one too.
We sending niggas back to the lobby. Hell is you saying? Go ahead and do a shout out, man. We rocking with the vault.
Nah,
So
for
y'all
real.
have fun?
We had, bro, so much fun, bro. We coming back. Shout out the vault. Where y'all located at?
We're at Austell Road and Windy Hill Road. You do not need a membership to shoot here on a weekend, so don't go down the street. Just come here first.
We'll
Yes.
talk about that later.
Yeah.
Do not go to Adventure Outdoors. Do not go to Adventure Outdoors.
wasn't gonna throw
Do not
names.
go to Adventure Outdoors. I'm throwing names. I got
Hey, it's fine.
100,000. 100,000 subscribers. People gonna see that. So
Hey, I'm good with it. So come down and see us. Definitely y'all two come back. All right.
we coming back for sure.
Did this work for what you were doing?
Yes.
Good deal. Good deal.
I might buy one. I might just
Come
buy
and see us. We're open on Saturday and Sunday.
Okay.
So it's earlier on Sunday. Last year's at 5 and last year's at 7 on Saturdays and Fridays. But definitely come back.
We coming.
Bring your friends.
No, we coming back for sure.
Come
y'all gotta
down.
come.
Maybe you run into you guys. And hang out.
You
Yo.
never know.
Think about you some ammo.
Never
Start a gun group?
know.
There you go. I mean, we got a few.
TTE gun group?
TTE Gun Group, man. All right, we appreciate it.
Definitely come back and see us.
Every time I shoot my glizzy, I just shoot precise. You pull like into it, you like that door, I come inside. I be fucking crazy, bitch, it's shawty, ain't no